Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, wanna see the video in front of you, and I guess down in Westmoreland, the man them move a ATM machine and thing. Now, me have my own opinion on this, and on the spot news media said the money is marked, and anybody who get the money is marked. But really and truly, to be honest, Jamaica don't have the expertise. Them don't even have the time, the manpower to actually track serial number of money like that. So whoever get the money, them get to scot free. You understand? Unless them have an informer in the meet, we have to talk upon them. But my opinion is a little bit different. Now, we know Jamaica have a high murder rate. We know Jamaica, the rich people, them, plutocracy, them get away with murder. Cause look on Usain Bolt lose all our money. We know the government is complacent, if not corrupt, with certain things. Now, you guys know what a dilemma is? A dilemma is when you have to make a choice of two bad decisions. So, any decision you make, it's a bad decision. You have no choice. You just have to choose the better evil. And it better the man them take with some ATM with some money. Like me say, people I go say countryman I support criminal, but it's not so much supporting criminal. It's the country, and I would rather a man take with an ATM with some money and nobody not get hurt. You understand? Rather than go up in a bank or somebody else and kill a whole heap of people and loss of life and then a whole another ball game. So it better them do this than do murder. That's my take on it. Overall, me better if them don't do no crime. But we know say you're gonna always have crime, especially in countries like Jamaica where the government doesn't give back to anybody and leave up the people then. So crime is all, even in America, Canada, everywhere you have crime. But me rather the man them do this than do murder. Program money, you see me I say, because this kinda show that, listen, the government needs to do something we can alleviate the people them from poverty, like social democracy. So the man them take with the ATM, and like me say, certain bloggers say the money mark, Jamaica have no time for that. Them can't even track 1 million US, much less. Them just not ready yet. You understand? Them do things backwards. So at the end of the day, rather the man them take a ATM in the middle of the night and nobody get hurt, up to rather than them do a murder and kill off people. So That's my opinion on it. Me know it's controversial, but that's how I feel. The government need to change the situation and bring down the crime. Give people what them need to give them back a part of our country. Him have China mine out the whole of Jamaica. China build the highway, them own the road, the north-south highway for the next 50 years. The port, China own it. The airport, I think Mexico own it. Flour mill owned by Trinidad. And the list goes on and on and on. And them wonder why we have so much crime. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And leave a comment on this one. Because I know this controversial. And people are say, yo, me I support criminal, but I don't care.